Hi, basically today we have to see about operators. Operators over here, what does operator means? So basically in Java there are five type of operators. Okay, in any language there are five type of operators till now. Okay, so okay, done a small mistake. Let me just rename it. Okay, so you might be thinking, why do I always do that? So basically in my company, I'm working in American Express as a senior manager. That's why over there we are required to have this basic ethics of the programming skills. That's why now over here, let me just go for it public static void main string ARGS. As I told you, that ARGS is totally random. You can write anything else also. Now we are going for the operators. Let's just try to understand that. Okay, we just want to understand the operator. The operators are very, very simple. The operator things in operators, there are actually five type of operator, as I told you. Now that five type of operator, we can okay, so naming that five type of operators is very easy. So let us just name that five type of operators. Just a second. I'm reframing my mic over here that you can hear me properly. That's right. Now over here, let me frame it. All right. So now operators. The first type of operator is known as arithmetic operator. So it is plus, minus, divide, multiply, and modulus. All right, and now the second type of operator is called uh, as relational operator. Greater than, okay, greater than, smaller than, greater than, equal to, comma, smaller than, equal to. These are these relational operator. Third as op logical operator. Now, if you are coming from the CEC bus, then you might be aware of these operator and or and not, comma, not, if not. So, and basically means, and all the conditions will be true. Then we will be going for the and operator when any one condition is true, or even both are true, or even all of them are true, but any one is true, right? And you can use or operator, and not operator basically means just the opposite. If I'm saying yes, in the computer it will be registered as no. All right, now we are registering fourth as logical operator, relational operator, arithmetic operator. Then we have the next operator as assignment operator. It's equal to, okay, then it is, okay, so it is just the assignment operator equal to. Now, in the interviews, the main question over here will be how does the value travels? The how value travels from left, basically to you. I will be this will be my left. That's why the value travels from left to right. Value travels from left to right. It will be my right, but it will be your left. That's why. So let's not mess in that per thing. Just try to understand it is that left to right, the values go from here to there. All right, just understand the thing over here, not the please don't go for that. The movies, movie comedy, we are not going for that. That's why. Now, fifth, as we can say it as comparison. Comparison operator is equal to not equal to. Okay, so basically comparison operator means equal to what human world it means. Equal to, like if I'm like saying are they equal, that's why what we say it as a comparison operator. Let's just try to do a simple, what do you say, a program through which we will be able to understand the arithmetic operators, relation operators. When we will be understanding the if and else, we will be able to understand that thing very over there very easily. So let's just try to hop on. Now for that, as I told in the first class, like in the last class, that we have to import a package. What package we have to import? Java.util.star. Now basically I have gone for just the meaning of package in the last video. Now, if you just want to go for it more in detail, it will be discussed in the next in the later videos. All right, now we over here we will be writing SC new spanner system.in. We are giving a semicolon after the bracket. And just writing int a comma b comma c. Okay, we have done this program, I guess, the addition of two numbers. Okay, let's just try to go with a little bit more program. Okay. All right. So now let's just try to go for it one time more, that through which we will be able to understand the operators. Okay. We have gone for the plus operator. Let's just try to go with some other operator. Let's just try to go with the modulus operator. All right. Now over here we are saying A modulus B. Okay, so modulus, if you don't know, it just means the remainder, where division sign is deal with with the dividend with the quotient, whereas with the remainder, the modulus sign is deal. Okay, so yeah, we will be going for this thing in the later half. Semicolon. All right. Now let me just write down CLS. Okay. So we need to write down Java operator dot Java. If there is a no error, it will be prompted with the next thing. We are writing operator. Okay, we are writing 5. We can press enter also. And we are writing 2. So if we divide 5 by 2, we get a remainder 1. It doesn't divide, right? So if we are getting that, that's why we have understood about the arithmetic operators, plus, minus, divide, multiply, modulus. Okay, so now for you, it will be just a small task that if you just try for the division and the multiplication, it will be much that you will be able to understand much in my programs very easily. Okay, this you can do a small homework. Along with that, after doing this, we will be going for the next video. That's in the next video, we will be understanding the concept of conditions. Now, what is condition? We will be understanding that thing in the next video only. So let's just call that thing to be off for today. All right. So if you like the video, please like the channel. Along with that, subscribe the channel for the next video. Thank you guys. That was great.